Hello everyone, in this exercise of the Solidworks, we will create a steel rack with the help of the sheet metal in the top-down assembly aspect. This is the, I am taking file, new and assembly. I am in the assembly environment. This is the assembly environment. I am cancelling this thing, this is cancelling. In this insert component, I am taking the new part. In the top-down assembly, if I make any part and after that make another part, if any changes takes place in the first part, the changes will occur in the second part accordingly, and so on. So this is the part. I am inserting one part. Right click, edit part. I am at this time under editing of this part. Top plane, sketch, center rectangle. I am taking dimension. This dimension I am taking 750, and this dimension I am taking 300. Okay. In the sheet metal, under the sheet metal, I am taking base plane. Symmetric. This sheet thickness is bottom side. If I reverse it, it will go upside. I am taking this one. Taking this one. Bottom side. I will take the dimension from the top side. Thickness is bottom side. K factor 0.5, the ratio is this one. Now I am taking the edge plane. I am taking outer edge one and out this. This is the edge flange. Use default radius. I am taking the thickness, radius, inside band radius is 3 mm, 1 mm is the gap, 90 degrees the angle of the edge flange is 90 degrees from the surface. Blind height of the flange is 30 mm. This one. This height is, if I take the front view, if you will see, this height is from the intersection of outer edges. Outer edges up to this height. This is this one. This is from inner virtual shaft. This is from the inner edges intersection to height. Flange position, this is material inside. I am taking material inside. This is material outside. This is blend outside. In this way, I am taking this outside. 3 mm radius, band radius, 1 mm is the gap between two flanges. This one, 30 mm height, and this position is this one. Isometric, taking this one. Okay. This is the flange. Now I am taking the slot, making the slot. This edge, in 3 mm side, I am taking the one. I will make the mirror of this hole. Make the center slot. Select these holes, make equal. This slots equal. Smart dimension. This one, 22 mm distance. This is the 3 mm. This is the 3 mm. This distance is 15 mm. I am taking this distance is 15 mm and this height is I am taking 15 mm. This is the as the mid of this thing. This one, this is the hole. Holes are in the center line. And I am selecting this one, mirror, center line, this one, these holes are the mirror line. I am making 4 holes here. And then sheet metal, extrude cut, through all. Blind, through all. These are the holes through all. These 4 holes I have made. Now I am selecting this side. Base, circular hole. I will make the circular hole in this. Small dimension. This is 15 mm. This is also 15 mm. And this dimension is the 6 mm. Holes. I am taking the mirror. For mirror, I will draw a center line here. Mirror. Select this point, this hole. About this line. Not hit line. The mirror. The sheet metal, extrude cut, through all. These I have made 4 holes here and 2 holes here, both sides. You can see. I give it a color. Color. I am giving this color. Okay. Now I am inserting new part. Insert new component. Go in the insert component, new part. I am taking this part. Now editing this part. So now I am under editing of this part, second part. Now I will make a support angle, legs of the racks, steel racks. I am selecting this face, sketch, take the line, now I am making the support angle for the steel rack. Dimension, this I am taking 55 mm. This I am taking the 35 mm. Okay. Sheet metal, base flange. I am taking base flange. Thickness I am taking outside. And the thickness of the sheet flange 3 mm. I am taking 3 mm. I am taking 3 mm. Radius is 3 mm. Radius I am taking 3 mm. Or you can take 4 mm. Is the or 3 mm you can take radius. If the thickness is 3 mm, in the sheet metal, the minimum radius should be 3 mm or more than 3 mm, not less than this one. A factor this one, this is the fake. And direction 1. Direction 1, I am taking the height of this thing is the 900. This one. Isometric. But this is moving wrong direction, upper direction. I am changing the direction. It will go direction. If I take the top view, you will see this is the angle. I am making the now angle, support angle. These are the legs, actually, basically legs for the steel rack. 900 mm is the height, 3 mm is the thickness of this thing, metal is outside, and 3 mm is the band radius. This I am making. So this is the angle for. At this time, I am under the editing of this part. Whatever operation I will do here, that will not affect the first part. Okay. Now I am selecting this face. This face, right click, sketch. Now I am taking the hidden view. In the sketchboard, I am taking. Now I am selecting this angle and convert entity. This one. Okay. Now in the sheet metal, go in the extrude cut. Extrude cut through all. This hole only will be cut only the angle. But that will not affect the first part because we are under the editing of edit of this part. Okay. Now this side. Select this space, sketch. Now I am selecting this, right click, select tangency. In the same way, right click, select tangency, both are selected. Press holding the shift button and then again convert entity. This one. Both are selected. In the sheet metal, extrude cut through all. This hole will be cut only in the angle. That will not affect the first part. Now I am make the linear pattern of this. In the linear pattern, in the future, you go with the linear pattern, select the direction, any linear dimension, and distance is I am taking 60 mm distance. At a distance of 60 mm, I am taking. Okay, I am taking 14 holes. And future, I am selecting from here, or you can select. Or you can take from here. Okay, these are the holes. 14 holes. As selected, 14 numbers at a distance of 16, 2 extrude cuts, circular hole, and this one and this one. I am taking this one. Now the angle is prepared. Okay. Now I will mirror this part. Firstly, I will come out of the sketch. Okay. And this one. Now I have made two parts. One part is the shelf, another is the steel rack. Firstly, I save this part. I save this assembly. Save all. Any name. Steel rack. Steel rack. 1. Okay. I am giving the name of this one. This is asking save without in context reference. You have to select this one, save within context reference. Okay, save within. And this is the path. Where is the going? You can change the path. Suppose you can take another path. Select folder in this way. Steel rack this path. You can select the path here and save all. In this way, you can take save the assembly. Now I will mirror this. Mirror component, linear component. Under linear component, you find the mirror component. Mirror component, mirror plane. You can select from here. What is front plane? This one. Select this part. and arrow, click on this arrow in the future tree manager. Now this is part. Here are the different options of mirror. This one, this one, this is not okay, this is not okay, this is okay. What is this? This is the X mirror, Y mirror and flipped. X mirror and Y mirror and flipped. This is this. If you can see from top, you can see from here, this is the okay position. This okay. Now, isometric, again in the linear mirror component, select plane, right plane, clear selection. I am selecting only this one, and plane is the right one. You have to press this next button and this one. This is not the okay position. You have to select this one, not okay, this one, this is okay position, and okay. Now another mirror, linear component, mirror, this one, right plane, this one, press this arrow button, this one. This you can see not a okay position, this one, not okay, this one, this option is okay. If you see top view, this is okay position. This and this way, in this way, you can install this one. Now, you can give the color of this thing, part. I have given the part, this one. And now, I made the pattern of this thing, linear pattern of this upper shelf. How I will make? Go in this one, linear component. Linear component, direction is what? Any linear dimension you can select. This one, you will take the dimension in the multiple of 60 mm, because I have given the dimension of these holes are at a distance of 60 mm. So I will make 4 numbers of this shelf. So 60 into 4, 240. At a 240 distance, I am taking the component. I am selecting this component. Direction at this one. Linear component. Linear component pattern. This one. This one. 240. Number you can take from here. 4 number. Component to pattern. This one. But these are going upside. So reverse the direction from here. In the future tree manager, from the top, you can reverse the direction. The 4 components have been made. This is our required isometric, trimetric view, diametric. Now you can give the appearance. Here you can give the appearance. So you can select this part number. Suppose I gave the color is pink color. You can take copy appearance, this one, paste appearance. This part, right click, paste appearance. This one, paste appearance. In this way we have made this one. You can isolate any component from here, right click, isolate. This one, isolate. So this is the bit. Isolate, you can save it and exit isolate. This way you can save and finally save the assembly. Okay, you can draw the isometric. This in this top down assembly, actually the whole measurement will be avoided. We can take directly in the top down assembly. I make the first part, then will be make the first part, and then again I make the second part. If any changes occurs in the first part, that will be changed accordingly in this. So this is the advantage of this one. I can change this appearance of this also. We will come for local, but this one I copy this copy appearance from here. This copy appearance, right click, paste appearance, right click, paste appearance, right click, paste appearance. So this way you can give the appearance of. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise, making the steel rack. Thank you for watching. You please subscribe my this channel and like and share. Thank you very much.